Hello guys, and welcome back to my channel, Writing Practices. In today's video, we'll be going through a very useful and professional letter, a cover letter for attending a conference. This type of letter is often required when you want to formally express your interest in joining a professional, academic, or industry event, and it's usually sent to the conference committee. So if you're planning to apply for a conference abroad or locally, this tutorial will guide you step by step through each part of the letter. What to include, why it's important, and how to make your writing sound formal yet confident. Let's dive right in. Sender information. At the top of your letter, you should begin with your personal and professional details. This part includes your name, position or title, organization or company name, address, city, state, zip code, email address, and phone number. This section is crucial because it tells the conference committee exactly who you are and how they can contact you. It also adds a professional tone from the very start. For example, in the template it appears as your name, your position/title, organization/company name, address, city, state, ZIP code, email address, phone number. When you fill this in, make sure your job title and organization name are clearly stated, especially if they're related to the conference topic. This immediately establishes your credibility and connection to the field. Date. After your contact information, you include the date when you are writing the letter. This shows when your application or request was made, which helps with record keeping and processing. Just write it simply, like month, day, year. It's best to use the full date format, such as December 15th, 2025, rather than abbreviations. Keeping it formal makes your letter appear more professional. Recipient details. Next, we move on to the recipient information. This is where you address the letter to the conference committee. You should include their full name or department if available, followed by the conference name, conference address or venue, and city, state, and zip code. In the template, it looks like this: the conference committee, conference name, conference address or venue, city, state, ZIP code. This section ensures that your letter reaches the right people and that it's formally directed to the decision-making committee. Subject line. Now let's talk about the subject line. The subject summarizes the purpose of your letter in a clear and concise way. For example, subject, application to attend conference name. This immediately tells the reader why you're writing. A strong subject line helps your letter get the right attention and makes it easier for the committee to process your request among many applications. Salutation. Next is the salutation. This is how you politely address the recipients. In the template, it's written as, "Dear members of the conference committee." If you know the specific names of the committee members or the conference coordinator, you can personalize it. But if not, this general greeting works perfectly. It's respectful, formal, and suitable for this type of letter. Opening paragraph, expressing your interest. The opening paragraph is where you express your interest in attending the conference. This is your opportunity to introduce the purpose of your letter clearly and concisely. Here's how it's written in the template. I am writing to express my interest in attending the conference name, scheduled to be held on conference dates at conference venue location. As your position at your organization/institution name, I believe this event presents an excellent opportunity for professional growth, knowledge sharing, and collaboration with experts and participants from around the world. This paragraph is important because it sets the tone and provides the main reason for your application. It tells the reader what event you want to attend, when and where it takes place, and why it's meaningful for your professional development. Make sure to include these key details, just like in the example, so your purpose is immediately clear. Second paragraph, explaining relevance to your work. In the second paragraph, you'll elaborate on how the conference connects to your current work, studies, or research. This is where you show that your participation is relevant and valuable. In the template, this part reads, the conference's focus on mention main theme or subject area of the conference aligns closely with my current work and research interests. Participating in the discussions, workshops, and networking sessions will enable me to gain deeper insights into recent developments in the field and apply these learnings to enhance my contributions within my organization. This paragraph matters because it links your goals and background with the conference theme. When writing this part, think about what specific areas or topics in the conference interest you most and how they connect to your professional work. The committee wants to see that your participation will have real benefits, not only for you, but also for your institution or community. Third paragraph, highlighting the benefits of attendance. Now we move to the third body paragraph, which focuses on what you hope to gain from the conference and how it will help you in your career or studies. The example says, "Additionally, attending this conference will allow me to exchange ideas with peers, learn from distinguished speakers, and strengthen international professional connections. I am confident that the skills and knowledge acquired from this experience will have a positive impact on my ongoing and future projects." This paragraph is your chance to emphasize the benefits. Talk about how you'll use what you learn and how it aligns with your professional goals. This shows initiative and purpose, qualities that make your application stronger. Committees appreciate when applicants express a clear intention to grow and contribute. Fourth paragraph, mentioning attachments and documents. Next, we have the fourth paragraph, which is all about the supporting materials you're sending along with your letter. This could include your registration form, professional profile, or other relevant documents. Here's the version from the template. Please find attached my registration form, professional profile, and any other supporting documents required for your consideration. I would greatly appreciate the opportunity to participate in this important event and represent your organization name. This part is essential because it shows that you've taken care to prepare your application properly and have included everything they might need to review. Always mention attachments so the committee knows what to expect. Closing paragraph. Expressing gratitude. Finally, we come to the closing paragraph, where you thank the committee for their time and express your anticipation of a positive response. The template says, "Thank you for your time and consideration. I look forward to your positive response and to being a part of this valuable conference experience." This part might seem short, but it's very important. It leaves a polite and appreciative impression, showing professionalism and respect. Remember, ending on a thankful note always helps build goodwill. Complimentary close and signature. After the main body, end your letter with a formal closing phrase, followed by your signature, full name, position or title, and organization name. From the template, it looks like this. Sincerely, your signature, your full name, your position/title, organization/institution name. Your signature adds authenticity to the letter, especially if it's printed, and restating your professional information reinforces who you are and where you represent. And that's how you write a cover letter for attending a conference. Clear, formal, and structured from start to finish. Each part of this letter plays an important role. Your contact details establish your identity, your introduction explains your purpose, your body paragraphs highlight relevance and benefits, and your closing expresses gratitude and professionalism. If you're applying to attend a professional or academic conference, following this exact structure will help you create a strong, convincing letter that reflects your genuine interest and professional value. Thank you so much for watching today's tutorial. I hope this step-by-step explanation helped you understand how to write a polished and effective conference cover letter. If you found this video useful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell so you don't miss more tutorials like this. And if you have any questions or want me to cover other types of letters, feel free to drop a comment below. I'd love to hear from you. See you in the next video, and as always, keep practicing your writing with Writing Practices.